Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to partition a hard drive. When you have a hard drive, you break it up into multiple partitions that can hold data. These typically show up on your computer as your C drive, your D drive, and so on. We're going to partition this external hard drive that I have, and let's go to the computer to get that going. To partition the drive, let's click on Start, find My Computer in this list, let's right click on My Computer and select Manage. This is your computer management screen. Find in this list under Storage, Disk Management. As you can see, I have two disks currently connected to this computer. Disk 0 is the hard drive that's actually inside my computer, and Disk 1 is the external drive that I've hooked up by USB. My C drive is currently located on the hard drive in the computer, and I have another partition for the E drive that's on this drive. In order to partition this drive, you must first have unallocated space. As you can see, I have 62.84 gigs of unallocated space. To partition that area, let's right click in there and say New Partition. This opens up the New Partition wizard. Click Next. We're going to select Primary Partition. You can only have so many primary partitions per disk, but we're doing fine and under that limit, so let's go with Primary Partition. Here you select the partition size. It defaults to the entire size of your free space. I'm going to limit that down to about 15,000 megabytes. To do gigabytes, you can generally take however many gigabytes you want, multiply it by 1,000, and that'll be how many megabytes you need. So let's select Next. It's going to ask you what drive letter we want to give this new drive. I'm going to leave it at F, but as you can see, we can choose any drive letter. When we partition this drive, it's going to ask us the file system that we want to use. The default is FAT32, which is old technology. So we want to change this to NTFS, which is Microsoft's new file system. Click Next, and then click Finish to partition your drive. As you can see, the F drive has appeared, and if I go to My Computer, I see an F disk. It's that easy to partition your hard drive in Windows. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to partition a hard drive.